Today on Animal Fact Files, we're discussing kookaburras. Many of us have probably heard some version of the kookaburra nursery rhyme. It goes something like this. Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree. Merry, merry king of the bush is he. Laugh, kookaburra, laugh. Kookaburra gay, your life must be. But how accurate is this? Well, kookaburras do laugh, though only one species is known as the laughing kookaburra. There are currently 4 living kookaburra species. 2, the laughing kookaburra and the blue-winged kookaburra, predominantly live in Australia, while the other 2, the spangled kookaburra and the red-bellied kookaburra, predominantly live in New Guinea. Technically, laughing kookaburras have been introduced outside of their native range in other parts of Australia as well as New Zealand. This isn't necessarily a good thing because they compete with the native animals of these regions for food and habitat. However, kookaburras who live in their native ranges don't tend to cause harm. Kookaburras are large terrestrial kingfishers. In size, they average about 16 inches in length and have up to a 4-inch beak. Instead of eating fish like many other birds in their family, kookaburras eat insects, other invertebrates, as well as small rodents and reptiles, including lizards and even snakes. Kookaburras swallow their meals whole, so when they eat larger animals like snakes, they must first break the animal's bones in order to more easily swallow them. That's why kookaburras slam their meals against hard surfaces like trees and rocks. Technically, there's another bird with the common name kookaburra, the shovel-billed kookaburra, but it doesn't share its genus with today's subjects. Predators to kookaburras include owls, hawks, falcons, snakes, and lizards who will raid a nest, as well as invasive animals like foxes and domestic cats. In Australia, natural and undeveloped areas may be referred to as the bush, and kookaburras live in these woodlands and swamps, though they can also be found in human-made places like parks and farms. Kookaburras are also known as the bushman's alarm clock, because they'll make their trilling calls in the early morning and dusk. The laughing kookaburra makes the most iconic laughing sound. The other species still have rolling squawks, they just don't quite have that fun, hearty laugh-like quality. In the wild, kookaburras may live anywhere from 10 to 20 years, though it takes them a few years before they begin breeding. That's because, like beavers, kookaburras stick around in their parents' territory for years to help raise their younger siblings. Kookaburras laugh to assert their territory. They live in these family groups that can range anywhere from 2 to 12 individuals, and tend to remain in a single place throughout the year. The parents, who are generally monogamous for life, breed from September to January, which is late spring to early summer in Australia, and the female will lay 2 to 5 eggs. The nest may be in a hollowed-out gum tree, like the rhyme suggests, but they may also utilize arboreal termite mounds as shown here. The eggs are incubated by all of the members of the family group for just under a month, and then the chicks spend just over a month in the nest. Once they leave the nest, the babies will stick around for at least a year, but up to 4 before they leave and start their own families. For more facts on kookaburras, check out the links in the description. Thank you to Redbone for today's request. Give a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.